Hey guys, what's up? So today I am making chicken chettinad, one of the most aromatic and spiciest cuisine of India. Yes, it is very popular recipe from the Chettinad region of Tamil Nadu. So let's have a look on my video. First I am going to dry roast all these spices in a frying pan till fragrant, adding 1 teaspoon coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon fennel seeds, 4 to 5 dry red chillies, 1 teaspoon black peppercorns. Roast it for 5 minutes and allow it to cool. And now I'm going to add to a grinder jar 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. To this I'm adding 3 garlic cloves, 1 inch ginger. Grind this to a fine paste by adding little water and set aside. Heat 3 tablespoon oil in a pan. Add the whole spices like 2 cardamoms, 1 cinnamon stick and 2 to 3 cloves. Fry this for few seconds. And next I'm going to add 1 cup finely chopped onions. Saute till onion becomes light and golden brown in color. Some curry leaves. Now add 2 tomatoes pureed and mix well. Cook this for 2 minutes on medium-high heat. To this I am adding grounded masala paste and mix well. Cook the mixture for 10 minutes in a slow flame. To this I am adding 500 grams of chicken pieces. Goes in some salt as required. Mix well and stir the chicken pieces to coat well with the masala paste. Cook this for 3 minutes on medium-high heat. And now I am going to add a cup of water. Mix well. Bring it to boil on high heat. Cover and cook for 15 to 20 minutes on low flame, stirring occasionally. Cook till the chicken is completely cooked. This curry goes well with anything: plain rice, roti, ghee rice, parota or dosa. Try this and let me know how it turned out for you. Snap a pic and tag us on our Instagram page shimi's.kitchen. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, and when you do, click that little bell icon. See you with more such amazing recipes. Take care and have a nice day.